Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus and I'm one of the sales and lease consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 mile of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2015 Toyota Avalon Limited. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated auto dimming side mirrors with signals, chrome trim, lightly tinted glass, and much more. With its combination of style, comfort, and overall quality, this 2015 Toyota Avalon is a very smart choice for the buyer. This Avalon has 18-inch silver painted alloy wheels with performance tires with lots of tread left. There is also a spare tire and a low pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Avalon is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, speed sensitive rain sensing wipers, and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder 3.5 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Avalon has front-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive 24 miles per gallon on the average. Let's not forget that this Avalon only has 31,025 miles on it. At the back of the Avalon, you can see the antenna, the large LED brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's very spacious and there is a pass-through to the back seats. This cargo area also features a cargo net and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. The passengers in the back seat will be excited to find their own climate control. You can use the fold-down armrests with the cup holders as well as the seat back pockets. The front of this cabin is well appointed with nice leatherette and chrome accents. Drivers will be comfortable in the power adjustable heated and cooled leather seating with memory. You also have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Avalon is also equipped with garage door opener, lock and glove box, and a push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the driver seat memory, the power rear window shade, the trunk release, and the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with express up and down. This Avalon has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 11 JBL speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using your USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything is easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It is very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 mile of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy back your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.